next up, Kickflip Suicide. Looks like that. This is a classic Drew Tetz trick of the modern fixed axle era. It's really changed the way we play with fixed axles. You can do a lot of variations on it. It's relatively simple, but it's very difficult to do consistently. Basically, you're in a trapeze stall like this. So if you haven't learned trapeze stall, go learn that. You're going to throw the yo-yo out that way so that it's going to rotate in space, right? And the string segment with the loop is going to come back towards your body. And as it does that, you're going to try to intercept it with your finger, right? So you'll be back where you started. Just like in a suicide, right? In a suicide, you're throwing the yo-yo around this arm and over. In this way, you're throwing the yo-yo in a loop on the other plane. Very, very challenging trick. You want to make sure that you have good neutral string tension, which I do, so that when you throw your trapeze stall, this isn't going to get all twisted up, right? With practice, you can get it relatively consistent. You won't necessarily make it every time, but you'll get it a lot. Case in point. All right. Kickflip Suicide. One more time on this side, just so you can see it rotating. All right. And if you want to make it even more challenging, you can throw doubles or triples. You know, you can take the yo-yo and spin it multiple times around this plane, right, and try to catch it. That's pretty difficult too. All right, like that. It's a double. But Kickflip Suicide is a great way to kind of join the modern progressive era of fixed axle yo-yoing. Very, very difficult trick, but a lot of fun.